Hi, for today's art history lesson and review, what we're going to do is something called Artstagram. With our Artstagram, what we're going to be doing is start off with this. These are all of the videos and resources that we've had from all semester. And for your review today, what I'd like you to do is to go ahead and watch one of these. So they're all linked to the videos that we've had throughout the semester. So you can watch that and go back through. And the next one, now what I'd like you to do is to kind of make your own Artstagram about the artwork of your choice. So what we have here is this is one by Andy Goldsworthy. I have one of the images that I really like from his artwork, and I'd like you to kind of do a Google search and really look at one that maybe that you haven't seen before. One that you find very interesting. We have a couple of hashtags also that really describe his artwork. So I had to really kind of think about his work. And I have one with Nature Man, I have Pure Nature, and Building with Nature. So that kind of sums up all of his artwork. And our next, there are slides here. What I'd like you to do is to go ahead and make your own. In addition, when you are finished with that, what I'd like you to do is to go after the presentation and you can start commenting on each other's posts, your Artstagram posts, so that we can kind of view each other's. Also, I'd like you to, if you have any other hashtags that you'd like to put on here that go along with our art history unit, please go ahead and do that. All right, enjoy.